In this video, I will show you how to use Ecwid for AliExpress Dropshipping. I'll go over every single step you need to take from importing AliExpress products within just a few clicks to doing the order fulfillment and how you can really set everything up, including the shipping and everything else that you need to know when you want to do AliExpress dropshipping on the Ecwid platform. So first, go and create your Ecwid account, and everything I'll show you can be done completely for free. So I'll leave a link to this page down in the description. From here, go and click get started for free, then just go and create your account. Now I already have a store right here, so for me it just signed me in automatically. Now what we're going to do first is head into the app section here and then click on app market. Now here click on dropshipping, and now there's one app that I recommend if you want to do this for free. That's this one right here called Sub Dropshipping. So if you click on this, you will see I already have it installed, but for you it will say an install button right here. Now the reason that we are using a free app is because on Ecwid you cannot use the paid apps if you don't have a paid subscription to Ecwid itself. So you will see, for example, if I want to use Pocket, I need to upgrade to get this app. So therefore I recommend using this app right here called Sub Dropshipping. So after you install the app, just go and open it up, and then you will get to your Sub Dropshipping dashboard right here. Now from here, go to the store section and click on the drop down. Now here click on Ecwid. Now I already have my store here, but I'll just delete it to show you how you can add yours. So you want to click on authorize right here, then make sure you already have a tab open where you're signed in to your Ecwid account, because then it will automatically recognize that store. And now here you can go and click on go dashboard, and now if you head back into the stores and click on Ecwid again, you will now see that we have the store right here. Now here you can choose what you would like to do using Sub Dropshipping. So it is activated. Now you can choose to sync your inventory, sync orders, which basically means order fulfillment. You can do auto shipment selection and auto product active. I recommend just turning it all on. So after doing this, we can actually get to importing AliExpress products. To do this, click on the find product drop down here and then click imported products. Now you will see I already have this one, but right here you can enter an AliExpress URL. So I'll just find a product right now. For example, I'll import this product by copying the link right here, then go back to Sub Dropshipping and paste in the link right here and click on import product. So then it will say acquisition successful and you get the product right here. Now you want to go and click check details, see if everything is correct. So this is the product. These are the variants, so it imports all of that automatically. Then you have the description right here. Now you can go and change this on Ecwid and the images have been imported. Now from here just click back and then click on list it to store. Now here you can go and set the price that you want to sell it at. So you will see the shipping fee for all of them is $6.87, and here you can see the price for the product itself. So you can just add this up and then add a profit margin, and later you can also set up how much you want to charge your customers for the shipping. But for example, for this one I'll say 25. For example, I'll do my shipping like this. Now you can see this one in the inventory has 0, so therefore I'm just not going to import this one since that's pretty useless. So I'll just take these two at the top right here and click on list it now. So then it will say the product has been listed to your store successfully. So go back to Ecwid. Now if you click catalog and then products, you will now see that I have the product right here. Now you want to go and click on edit product. Now here you can change the images and definitely go and change the name and stuff like that. But for example, the stock keeping unit, I would not touch this because this is what's syncing it to our Sub Dropshipping right here. And the weight and stuff like that has been entered automatically. So from here, just go and change any details you would like to. Here in the shipping and pickup section, you can also set the shipping rates for your customers. So if you want to offer them free shipping, then you can say free shipping, or one method that I like is specify shipping methods for this. So just go and set up your shipping right here. Then you can add more options. Now this has been done automatically, so I won't touch that. You can just add the SEO. You can get a buy now button to add onto any website basically. And now we have just added this product. So now if I go to view my store, you will see if I go to my shop right here that in my products you now have this product right here, and if you open it up you will see people can choose which color they want. Now of course you can go and change this, and maybe they aren't colors but different kind of variants, they want to change that as well. But basically now people can just go and order it and then pay for it, and once they do, it will show up right here in your orders on Ecwid. So under my sales you have orders right here, then it will show up right here, but it will also show up on sub dropshipping in your orders here. Those will be synced automatically if you turn that on in the store section, but you'll see store orders. And then right here, if it doesn't show up, just click on sync. Then here select the Ecwid store, then it will check for missing orders, saving missing orders and creating orders on sub. So click sync now, and if there are any orders that weren't there, then sub dropshipping will still gonna send them out for you. Now once they get to this section, awaiting payment, you will need to click on bulk payment right here in order to go and pay for all the products, and then sub dropshipping will pay AliExpress and AliExpress will then send it out to your customer. Now in terms of payment methods you can add to your Ecwid store, you can do that right here in the payment section. So you can go and set up PayPal, Pay by Cash, Stripe, Lightspeed payments, Apple Pay and Google Pay. They have a bunch of different payment methods that you can actually go and add to your store. But now you know how you can do AliExpress dropshipping on Ecwid. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And again, if you want to get started with Ecwid completely for free, you can go and use the link down in the description. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.